the fabulous German city of Donauwörth, standing on the banks of 3 rivers. Donauwörth is a charming and peculiar city with unique architecture. Multicolored facades, typical Bavarian, half-timbered, and tiled roofs give it a special flavor. Against the background of narrow streets and stone pavements, these houses look like they came down from the pages of an old German book of fairy tales. Today, more than 18,000 people live here. Donauwörth has become a well-known tourist destination. Wonderful walk on a warm February day. Walking tour of Manila. Walk through the Ermita district in the center of the capital of the Philippines. Ermita, one of the districts of Manila, is located near Rizal Park and Manila Bay. It is famous primarily for its restaurants and nightclubs. Many antiques, national souvenirs, and other oriental rarities are sold in shops in the area. The city is divided into quarters where offices are located and business life is seething. Bohemian neighborhoods, and poor Chinatowns that live by their own laws. Rawalpindi is a city in Pakistan. Until the founding of Islamabad in the 1960s, Rawalpindi was the country's capital. Rawalpindi is the 4th most populated city in Pakistan. Statistics say that the number of inhabitants of the city is about 1.7 million people. Travelers note that despite globalization and the presence of foreign tourists, not every local resident will be able to communicate with you in English. When heading to Rawalpindi, keep in mind that using the internet in the city is very difficult. it is hardly worth going to Rawalpindi in search of a vibrant nightlife. Discos or clubs, since the choice of such establishments in the city is rather modest. Short walk along Marjanishvili Street. The area of the old Georgian capital of Tbilisi in February 2023. Tbilisi, this city, like a magic box, reveals its secrets not from the first or even from the second time. Ideally, you should come to Tbilisi once a season to draw inspiration and warmth from the city residents here. A short walk along Marjanishvili Street through the old Georgian capital in February, you will definitely enjoy. The WebTV channel will help with this. Havana is a city rich in history and culture, with a mixture of Spanish, African and Caribbean influences. This is Cuba. The inhabitants of Havana are known for their hospitality and warmth. The WebTV channel will show the daily life of Havana. Watch our walking tour and experience the beauty and excitement of Cuba's capital. Discover the charm of Havana. Thanks to its rich history and cultural heritage and vibrant energy, Havana is a unique place. Thank you so much for visiting the WebTV channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, write a review and subscribe to watch new trips around the cities. See you soon. Bye bye.